Good evening to all. I am Krishnammal from Tirunelveli. Today my topic is operating room zoning and cleaning. Zoning. Zoning refers to the systematic division of the OT into distinct area or zones based on cleanliness and sterility to prevent cross contamination and maintain a safe sterile environment. Types of zoning. It is divided into 4 distinct zones. Zone 1 protective area, Zone 2 clean area, Zone 3 sterile area, Zone 4 disposal area. Protective zone. This is the outermost area. It usually provides facilities like OT reception, waiting area, pre-anesthesia room, general storeroom, trolley bay, store for OT trolleys, wheelchair, stretcher, electricity control. This is our hospital pictures for reference. Clean zone. This area is restricted for personnel only, although not sterile. It must remain clean to reduce contamination risk. Personnel should enter only with complete PPE. This zone has facilities like dress change room, surgical preparation, instrument cleaning, sub-store. Sterile zone. This is the core of the OT where surgeries are performed. Staff here must wear full sterile attire including PPE, and all OT surfaces, equipment and instrument must be disinfected or sterile. This zone has facilities like operating room, scrub room, sterile instrument storage room, sterile corridor, OT trolley area. In our hospital, we have 3 floors of OT. We are using sterile lift for moving sterile items. Disposal zone. This area is designated for segregation and safe disposal of used and contaminated items. According to strict biohazard protocols, they are moved separately without crossing sterile and clean zone. Signage for demarcation of zone. From protective area zone 1 to clean area zone 2. A broad yellow line on the floor should be there to demarcate between protective and clean area. From clean area zone 2 to sterile area zone 3. A broad red line on the floor should be there to demarcate between clean area and sterile area. From clean area zone 2 to disposal area zone 4. A broad black line on the floor should be there to demarcate between clean area and disposal area. Protocols for cleaning and disinfection of OT. Cleaning procedures. Cleaning. Removal of dust and foreign particles from the surfaces of floors, walls, fixtures and equipment. Disinfection. Removal of most of the pathogenic microorganisms with the help of chemicals. OT cleaning protocols. Cleaning to prevent contamination of OT. Cleaning occurs in many different contexts and uses many different methods to prevent perioperative infection or cross infection. It should be done 3 hours by right person trained and experienced in cleaning physical infrastructure and instruments of OT with right procedures at right intervals. Operation theatre cleaning. Cleaning procedure intervals. Cleaning in between surgeries, end of the day cleaning, weekly cleaning, monthly cleaning. Cleaning of physical infrastructures, theatre walls, floors, roof, equipments, furnitures, lights and AC. Cleaning in between surgeries. Once in a 2 hours, OT floor mopping is done with disinfectant solution. We are using benzalkonium chloride IP 5% 100 ml in 10 liter water used for floor cleaning. Chloroxidine gluconate 7.5%, cetrimide 15% and isopropyl alcohol 7% for every 100 ml used for equipment cleaning 10 ml in 1 liter water. End of the day cleaning procedures. To clean OT by 3 bucket system. First bucket, clean water for cleaning materials to get rid of dirt. Second bucket, clean water for cleaning. Third bucket, using for disinfectant solution. Microfiber cloth, preferably avoid cotton cloths to prevent rooting and lint. And floors, walls need different colors. Cleaning procedure. Sweep and mop with water and then mop with disinfectant solution. Clean low touch surfaces before going to high touch surfaces. Mop in a figure of 8 pattern with overlapping strokes. While cleaning floor, proceed in a systematic manner to avoid missing areas, for example, clockwise manner. Cleaning environmental surfaces before cleaning floors. Weekly cleaning. Deeper cleaning is carried out once in a week. In our hospital, we are doing every week Saturday to sift all movable equipment and materials out of the OT. Remove stains on the floor with a scrubbing machine used for road machine. Wash and dry wheelchairs, stretcher, including the wheels, and wipe clean with disinfectant. Monthly cleaning. Removing cobweb in all areas of the theatre. Vacuum cleaning whenever necessary. Clean low touch surfaces that are not cleaned every day. OT ceiling, lights, AC outlet. Yearly twice. Ceiling including air conditioning and ventilation, grill, vents and light fixtures. AC calibration and HEPA filter cleaning change in 6 months once according to company PM manual. Fogging. It's not necessary in laminar flow OT if flow is kept on for 24 hours. On the basis of microbiology surveillance reports, commissioning of new OTs, after annual maintenance, after any civil or engineering work. We are using hydrogen peroxide 11% and silver nitrate 0.01% is used for fogging. Cleaning and disinfectant agents. Benzalkonium chloride IP 5% for OT floor cleaning. Chloroxidine gluconate 7.5%, cetrimide 15% and isopropyl alcohol 7% for every 100 ml for equipment's cleaning. Detergents, microscope lens cleaning, sodium hypochlorite 1%, spillage of blood and body fluid and soaking of infected linen, hydrogen peroxide 11% with silver nitrate 0.01% for fogging. Staff training. Training on various aspects of standard precaution like proper use of PPE, hand hygiene, biomedical waste segregation, needle stick injury prevention and management, use of disinfectants in correct concentration, correct method and for appropriate purpose. In case of chemical exposure, inform OT in charge sister and take action according to MSDS, Material Safety Data Sheet of the chemicals. Maintaining checklist and cleaning log sheet. Thank you.